to make a dessert that's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious, then stay tuned, because this week we're going to be making a classic, Bananas Foster. Now, Bananas Foster is an old school classic. It works on so many levels because it combines so many great flavors and textures. On one side, you have bananas that are cooked in a hot caramel sauce, while on the other, ice cold vanilla ice cream. So not only do you have a dessert that tastes amazing, but also one that plays in your sense of hot and cold, which makes it fun to eat as well. Now the best part is, it's super easy to make and requires very few ingredients. The only caveat is, you need to have everything prepared ahead of time, because when you're dealing with caramel sauce, things can go south very quickly. So here's what you'll need. Okay, so now we have everything prepared. Now it's time to get cooking. And this recipe uses one of my favorite techniques, flambe. Now, if you're uncomfortable with the idea of lighting alcohol on fire, then fear not, because the alcohol will burn away naturally as the sauce reduces. But either way, you're in for a treat. So let's get cooking. Fast, easy, and delicious way to make a classic dessert in minutes. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below, and you'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe, and if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time. And there you have it, a way to make a fast, easy, and delicious dessert in just minutes. I meant to say classic dessert.